guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. So for today's video, I am so excited because I'm finally doing the Jeffree Star Halloween mystery box unboxing. I've been waiting for this package since obviously this launched, which was October 16th, and today's the 28th, and I just got it in the mail a few hours ago, and I had to throw on some makeup really quick just so I could go ahead and jump in and see what's inside. I literally have been dying to know what's in these mystery boxes. And I did get a bunch of them. I got the big size, and then I got two of the little sizes, and one of the little sizes is going to be in a giveaway for you guys. So stay tuned to the end of the video to find out how to enter that. But what else was I going to say? Oh, if you notice something different, I went darker with my hair. Let me know what you guys think. I don't know how to feel. I haven't had dark hair in about 2 years, but I needed something different. I needed a little bit of a change. So let me know what you guys think. I don't know. I love it, but I'm also like... when I look in the mirror, I'm like, whoa, who's that? But let's just go ahead and get started because I literally can't wait anymore. So this is what it came. It came in this big brown box because I got multiple. So I got one little one and a bunch of tissue paper. And then another little one. So cute. And then the big one. So this is what the biggest mystery box looks like. This was $100 and it's like a $200 and something value. And then this is what the little box looks like. I'm gonna open the little box first just because I want to save the best for last. So I'm gonna open the little one. I don't know if I want to open both of these. I kind of want to just to see if there's a difference between the two, but we'll see. I also don't want to open it so whoever wins this giveaway can see. I don't know. I haven't figured that out yet. But let's start off with one of them. I'm just going to open this one. Okay. So, this is what it looks like when you open the little guy. I think this was $25. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Oh, okay. I don't know why I was expecting more to be in here, but it's only 3 products. I was expecting more to be in here for some reason. Right? It's only 3, right? Yeah. I don't know why I was expecting more to be in here, but it was only 3 products. And we got the Velour Lip Liner in the shade Unicorn Blood. We also got the gloss in the shade Crystal Climax, which I don't think I have that one. No, I have Crystal Kiss. And then also, ooh, the Velour liquid lipstick in the shade Unicorn Blood. So that's super exciting. I got a matching lip liner and liquid lipstick. That's super cool. And I've heard amazing things about this shade. I don't have this shade. I just had to double check really quick. But it's just really gorgeous red. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it. I love his Velour liquid lipstick formula. It's so bomb. Oh, that is so pretty. It's showing up a little bit more red on camera than it is in person, but that is gorgeous. Super, super pretty. And then I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna swatch this as well. Just the matching lip liner. I've actually never tried his lip liners before, so I'm super excited to give this a try. And then lastly is the gloss. That is super pretty. Definitely a color I wouldn't really wear, but it is super, super gorgeous. I'm gonna go ahead and open this one as well just to see if it's the same thing. And also make sure everything came in okay condition, but I'm not gonna show it. I'm just gonna make sure that everything's okay in here. Okay, so I opened this one and I'm not going to tell you what's in it because I want that to be a surprise for the giveaway winner. But now I'm going to go ahead and just swatch this gloss really quick because it is super pretty. But I was dying to know what was in that little box. I had to just check really quick. That's actually wicked pretty. That's definitely not like a color I'd see myself wearing looking at the tube. But having that swatched on my hand, that is so pretty. I definitely wear that. Super pretty. So yeah, I don't know why I was expecting more in this little box. I feel like I've seen people get like, did he say, I'm trying to remember like what he said, like the amount of stuff was in each thing. I think he said this one only came with 3 products. I can't remember, but super cool. I'm super excited to have this Unicorn Blood. It's like one of his famous colors, so can't wait. Super cool. All right, so this is what the big one looks like. The logo on here is so cute. But this one they did ask your size, and I ordered a size medium because I ordered a medium last time and that seemed to be a good size. Let's see, maybe this will be better than the last one. I think the last one I got was a Halloween one. Oh no, it was a Christmas one. And I liked it, but I wasn't like in love with it, so hopefully this one will make up for it. I remember, if I'm remembering correctly, I believe the Halloween one last year was my favorite, so hopefully this one is too. Okay, so the first thing I see, it looks like a t-shirt. Let's see what it says. Ooh, I think I know exactly what this is. I've never seen it before, but I can just tell by looking at it. Oh, I love this. That is so cute. I love how simple it is, but I love the bleach spots in it. That is actually really, really cute. And the logo is on the front and also the back. Oh my god, that's sick. I love that. I think I like this better than the one I got last year. The one I got last year said like can't relate or something with the skeleton hand like snapping or something. I think I like this one more. This is so cute. Okay. Okay. The first thing I see I am so excited about because I've been wanting it, but I didn't want to spend the money, so okay, this is pretty good. Let me just take everything out first. So the first thing that I'm beyond excited about is this Extreme Frost. Now this is supposed to be the highlights of all highlights, okay? This he came out with and the packaging is just stunning and I wanted it so bad, but it's like a $50 highlighter, I think. And I was like, I'm not spending that money. Oh my god, and it's in a color I can actually wear, I think. God. Oh my god, this is stunning. Okay, anywho, back to the video. So this is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Extreme Frost in the shade Lick My Glit. And it comes in like a ring kind of box. And this is what it looks like. Oh my god, I gotta get it out. Oh, don't worry. Oh, there we go. Whew. I was so scared I was gonna break it, but I love this. I think this is so cute. I can just pop it in there and have it as a decoration. But these itself, I heard, are amazing. So this is, oh, love the packaging. And it's almost like a pinkish gold. That is gorgeous. I'll definitely wear that. Oh my god, I'm so happy about this. I was not expecting that, to be honest with you. Super happy. And the packaging is just so extra. I love it. Next we have this Jeffree Star Cosmetics, obviously, Velour Lip Scrub in the shade Strawberry Gum. I've never tried his lip scrubs, but I've heard they're really, really good. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it and smell it because I've heard they smell amazing. And the packaging, just killing it with the packaging. Ooh, that smells really good. What does that smell like? It smells like Strawberry Starburst. That smells so good. Oh, I'll definitely be using this. Next we have this lip balm tinted with a hint of darkness. Oh, I want to say, okay, so I want to say that the medium size box and the big box came with like mystery box exclusive items because I've never seen this on his website or anything. I know that he came out with a lip balm with Shane Dawson, but it was clear. This says it has a hint of darkness. It's in the shade Widow. I love the packaging. Unless this is from the Cremated collection. I don't know, to be honest. But love the packaging. Love the marble. I think that's so pretty. I feel like he always shows his exclusive mystery box products beforehand, but I haven't seen anything. So I'm honestly not sure if this is a mystery box exclusive or not. I'm just going to assume so because the packaging is very, very similar to his new packaging that just came out for the Velvet Trap lipsticks. So let's go ahead and swatch this. Oh, that's really, really cool. So definitely if I applied this to my lips, it wouldn't be like, oh my god, you're wearing black lip balm, you know? Oh, it smells like heaven too. It smells like vanilla. Next three products are lip products. I have this, the gloss in the shade Candy Drip. This is so pretty. It's a baby pink with gold. Looks like gold and maybe silver reflex in it. Maybe just, okay, so looking at it swatch, there's definitely like a pink with a gold, purplish, blue reflex in it. I don't know if you'll be able to tell on camera. So gorgeous. Love that. So definitely building up the lip gloss collection, which I'm so excited about. Next is the Velour Lip Liner in the shade Calabasas. This is another one of his popular colors, so I am stoked to have this. That is a gorgeous color. Oh my god. It's showing up a lot more pink than it is in person. It's definitely that like deep pink, mauve-y kind. I don't even know how to explain it, but that is stunning. That is so, okay, I'll definitely be wearing that. That is so pretty. This is definitely like a color I used to wear as a kid. Like I said, it's showing up more pink on camera than it is in person, but as a kid, there was a Sephora lip liner that literally looked exactly like this, and I used to wear it all the time, and I loved it. It was like a $5 lip liner. All right, lastly, we have another Velour liquid lipstick, and this one's in the shade Designer Blood, which I haven't heard this shade before. It looks very similar to Unicorn Blood, but looking at it in person, this one's definitely more red. But I'll swatch them next to each other just so I can get an idea of the difference, because they do look very similar. Okay, so this one is Designer Blood. Okay, yeah, one is definitely more of like an orange red, and the other one's like a deep red. I don't know if you'll be able to tell. They look exactly the same on camera, but I promise you in person, like I said earlier, Unicorn Blood is that orangey red and Designer Blood is more that deep, true red. Okay, so now the last product I already own. So I can't decide if I want to give it away to someone in this video or if I want to save it for another giveaway, because I'm definitely not going to keep this for myself. There's no point. But I will show you guys what it is, of course. Dun, 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 dun. It's the Jeffree Star Bloodlust palette. Gorgeous palette. Like I said, I do already own it, so I'll go ahead and show you guys what mine looks like. Super gorgeous, luxurious packaging. Obsessed. Literally obsessed with this palette. I love this packaging. It's like my favorite. But this is what it looks like. If you're a lover of purple, you will love this palette. And it's just super stunning and unique. I love it. And I love his formula. You guys already know that. So that's what the inside of the Bloodlust palette looks like. I'm not going to be giving away this palette in this video, but I am going to save it for a future giveaway that I will hopefully have very, very soon. I literally have a basket full of products, and I definitely want to include this because I feel like this will be like a really great product to include in that giveaway. So definitely stay tuned for that because there's still a chance to win this. But I am going to be giving away this mini mystery box. So in order to enter to win this, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and comment down below what you guys are doing on Halloween. Are you going trick-or-treating? Are you going to a party? If you're allowed to with all this crazy stuff going on in the world right now. I will also have when this giveaway will end and also some extra tasks that you guys can do to get some extra entries. So be sure to check the description box for that, and all that information will be down below. But so yeah guys, that completes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to let me know in the comments down below and give this video a big thumbs up. And also, if you're new to my channel, be sure to click the subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!